Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how to add quote page into your app. Quote page allows you to share inspirational quotes with your users and motivate them to achieve their goals. Let's see how it's done. Start creating your app. Under design section, click on view all and search quote. Click on quote page to add it into your app. Enter page name. If you want, you can change quote page icon or image from here. Under content, enter Firebase data URL. Click on the tooltip and follow mentioned steps to get your Firebase data URL. Enter your database name. Click on Authenticate button. Just to inform you, authentication will be successful only when you enter the right Firebase data URL. Once the URL is authenticated, you will see Add Quote button. Click on Add Quote button to add quotes. If you want, you can either enter or paste your quote here. Enter author name for your quote. This field is not mandatory, so you have the option to leave it blank. Under Display On, you can select the date on which you want to display the quote to your app users. Just for your information, you can assign only one quote for a particular date, which means you can't share multiple quotes for a single date. If there is no quote assigned for a particular date, then random quote will be displayed for the date. Tick mark checkbox Add Media to upload image or video from URL or your own computer. Just for your information, you can add only one media file for every quote. Click on Save button. Now under Action, click here to view details set for your quote. If you want, you can edit the quote from here. Click here to delete the quote. Click on Import CSV file to download sample CSV file or to import quote CSV file. Click on Export CSV file if you want to export quotes as CSV file from your database. Click here to delete the quote. If you want, you can select multiple or individual quotes from here to delete in one go. You can search quote by author's name, or you can type to search. Click on General Settings. Under Configuration Settings, select Date Format. If you want, you can turn on Show Previous Date Quotes. However, by default, it is off. Click on Language Settings. Under Manage Language Settings, if you want, you can update your alert message from here. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.